मराठा स्टेट 1674 से 1720 शिवाजी born at शिवनेरी फोर्ट in 1630. Father Shahaji Bhosle, Mother Jijabai, religious teacher Samarth Ramdas, inherited Jagir of Pune from a father in 1637. After death of guardian Dadaji Kondawa 1647, assumed full charge of Jagir, conquered Fort Sinhgarh, Kondrana 1643, Rohinda and Chakkan 44-45, Toran 46, Purandar 48, Rajgarh, Raigad, Supa 56, Panhala 59. Afzal Khan, deputed by Adil Shah Bijapur to punish Shivaji, was killed by Shivaji. Shahista Khan, Deccan governor, defeated by Aurangzeb. Shivaji lost Pune, suffered defeat, then bold attack on Shahista Khan. Purandar, Surat, Ahmednagar, Raja Jai Singh of Amber, appointed by Aurangzeb, besieged Shivaji at Purandar, territory of Purandar. Shivaji succeeded to Mughal visit Mughal court at Agra, imprisoned, escaped 1674, coronated at Raigad, title Handawa Dharmodhar, protector of Hinduism. Chhatrapati continued the struggle with the Mughal and Sindhya Janjira, conquered Karnataka 67-80. Navy built a strong fort of Sindhurgarh and Vijayadurg, called father of Indian Navy, most powerful naval chief. Later Kanhoji agreed. Terror of siege, controlled Konkan coast and defeated British, Dutch and Portuguese ships. Died in 1680, succeeded by son Sambhaji. Shivaji administration divided territory Swaraj into provinces under Viceroy Prant Prangana, village headed by Patel. Headman, helped by Ashtapradhan, 8 minister, no collective responsibility, each minister directly answerable to Shivaji. Sanskrit word, Persian word, English meaning. Mukhya Pradhan, Pant Pradhan, Peshwa, finance and general administration, later become PM of great importance. Amatya Majumdar, revenue and finance minister. Mantri Vakyanabis, home minister. Sumant Dabir, foreign minister. Sachiv Surnavis, head of royal correspondent. Pandit Rao Dandyaksha Sadra A Mustaq, head of religious affairs. Senapati Sir A Nawab, military commander on a no real military power. Nyayadhish or Munsif, Qazi, Chief Justice. Most administration reform based on Malik Ambar Ahmednagar reform. Land revenue assessment based on measurement. Kathi of Malik Ambar adopted as unit. Land revenue fixed at 1/3, initially 2/5. Abolish Jagirdari system in Swaraj. Paid soldier cash salary. Pagdandi system. Zamindar given fixed salary. Abolish Ijara system. Revenue farming. Land measured and assessed directly. Eliminated middlemen. Peasant dealt with directly. Military divided into infantry, cavalry, navy. Fort were strategic backbone, which held over 240 fort at peak. Chauth, 1/4 of the total revenue paid to Mughal government or Deccan kingdom. The tax Maratha took in return for not plundering territory. Sardesh Mukhi, additional 10th levy on Maharashtra land, over which Marathas claimed hereditary right, but which formed part of Mughal Empire. Sambhaji 1689, elder son of Shivaji, defeated Rajaram, younger son, in war of succession, provided protection and support to Akbar, to rebellious son of Aurangzeb, captured at Sangameshwar by Mughal noble and executed 1689. Rajaram 89 से 1700 succeeded throne with the help of minister at Rajgarh, fled from Rajgarh to Jinji. Mughal invasion. Rajgarh captured along with Sambhaji, wife and son Sahu. Died at Satara, capital, after fall of Jinji. Mughal 1698 created new post of Pratinidhi. Total minister become 9. Pratinidhi plus Ashtapradhan. Tarabai 1700 से 7 तक. Rajaram succeeded by minor son Shivaji to under guardianship of mother Tarabai. Continued struggle. Tarabai army defeated Sahu In Battle of Kheda 1700, Shahu occupied Satara, southern part of Maratha kingdom with capital Kolhapur, continued under descent of Raja Ram Shivaji II and later Sambhaji. Shahu released Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah I. Balaji Vishwanath, first Peshwa, began career as a small revenue official. Title Sena Karte, marker of army by Shahu 1708. Become Peshwa 1713. Made post most important, powerful, hereditary, crucial role of final victory of Shahu won over almost all Maratha Sardar. Sayyid brother Kingmaker, Mughal Emperor Farrukh Shah recognized Shahu as king of Swaraj, died in 1720, succeeded by son Baji Rao I. मराठा कॉन्फेडरेसी 1720 से 1818, बाजी राव वन 1720 से 40. एल्डेस्ट सन ऑफ बालाजी विश्वनाथ बिकम पेशवा एट एज 20. Guerrilla tactic after Shivaji, Maratha deep power is zenith. Peshwa capital Pune become political capital under Peshwa. Satara remained nominal capital of Chhatrapati. Said about Mughal, let us strike at trunk of the withering tree and branches will fall themselves. Under several Maratha family become prominent. Kingdom स्कैंडिया, ग्वालियर, होलकर, इंदौर, पवाड़, धर, गायकवाड़, बड़ौदा, भोसले, नागपुर, पेशवा, पूना डिफिटेड एंड एक्सपेल्ड सिद्धीज ऑफ जंजीरा फ्रॉम mainland 1722. Conquered Bassein and Salsette from Portuguese. Defeated Nizam ul Mulk near Bhopal. Treaty of Dora Sarai where obtained Malwa and Bundelkhand 1738. Led expedition. Died in 1740. Son बालाजी बाजीराव नाना साहेब 1740 से 61. Popularly नाना साहेब age of 20 after Shahu death. Full management state agreement with Mughal Empire returned for Chauth. पेशवा माधव राव 61 से 72. Greatest पेशवा after बाजीराव I. Emperor Shah Alam II at Delhi under Maratha protection 1771. माधव राव died young at 27. Maratha power never fully recovered. Third Battle of Panipat 14 Jan 1761. Defeated of Maratha by Ahmad Shah Abdali. Defeat of Biswas Rao and Sadashiv Rao Bhau shocked Peshwa. Balaji Baji Rao died 6 months after battle. In Maratha power as dominant of all India force. Successor Balaji Baji Rao, Madhav Rao, Narayan Rao, Savai Madhav Rao, Baji Rao II, Nana Fadnavis. Most important statesman of late Maratha period. Dominated Maratha political after Panipat called Maratha Machi Valley. Anglo-Maratha. First Anglo-Maratha 1775-82. English Hastings sided with Raghunath Rao for Peshwaship, where English got defeated and signed humiliating convention of Badgaon 1779 near Pune. Later signed Treaty of Salbai 1782. Second Anglo-Maratha War 1803 से 6. पेशवा साइन सब्सिडियरी अलायंस. ट्रीटी ऑफ बसीन 1802. मराठा कॉन्फेडरेसी चैलेंज ब्रिटिश. महाजिद स्किंडिया को डिफीटेड एट बैटल ऑफ पारगंज 1803 अगेंस्ट ब्रिटिश. स्किंडिया भोसले गोट डिफीटेड. थर्ड एंग्लो मराठा वार 1817 से 18. लॉर्ड हेस्टिंग मूव अगेंस्ट पिंडारी वेयर ही transgressed Maratha sovereignty leading to Bad. Maratha decisively defeated. Maratha power ended permanently. Decline. Third Battle of Panipat. Lost top commander and soldier. Peshwa succession dispute divided Maratha confederacy. No common national vision. Maratha chiefs fought each other. Inferior military technology could not match British artillery and discipline. Treaty of Bassein 1802. Baji Rao II accepted British subsidiary alliance, effectively ended Maratha independence. British used divide and rule, made separate treaty with individual Maratha chief.